Today I'm going to review another small business. This is a product that I bought for myself from Etsy.com, and this is the SwatchStencil. I wanted to try out what these SwatchStencils are. You know, people get such great swatches that they review on their channels, and for me, swatches are always all over the place. So I thought, let me try one of these SwatchStencils. It was addressed to me. Of course, there was a slight delay in getting this product, but you know, it was the holiday time. It's expected, but they were so sweet. What really spoke to me about this small business was how personalized they made this experience for me. What it says is, "Thank you so much for your order. We hope you'd enjoy your new stencils. Love at SwatchStencil.com." And then the stencils were right here in this little packaging. And then it even came with a bottom message which said, "We'd love to see your swatches. Please tag us to your posts or leave a review." Of course, I will leave a review. And here are the stencils. They were quite securely attached to this package. So, of course, I haven't reviewed the stencils yet, but I'm going to. I just wanted to give a quick shout out. Look what you get when you shop small businesses. Now, these stencils come in various shapes and sizes. These are just what I ordered. Here's a chevron shape. Here's the one with like 6 swatches, and here's larger swatches. Here's some in lipstick form. The way these work are they are stickers, and you stick them on here and of course put the products in them. I am going to try and see if they can be used more than once. Of course, their website says to use them only once, but I want to see if they can last even longer. So wait for my swatches.